Kaya natin si Mark Wins. Usually sabi ni Mark Wins, wow, for ramen places and any place in Canada na ramen place na will compete. And the ramen there, well, obviously, you know, here in Canada na try ko, no? So, I guess it's good enough pag gutom ka. Service is amazing. It's just that more like different kind of noodles. And nangyari lang na they have
take my hand and find expression in the silent night and let the moon break in. Let the moon break in.
Welcome back mga ka-daily. Today is April 7th. Is it April 7th? Sunday. And gotta thank God for this wonderful weather. Pag nandito ka sa Canada, you will appreciate pag maganda talagang panahon kasi palaging pangit ng weather pag winter. Anyways, I'm in here in Barrie, Ontario, in front of X-Play right there, and I'm waiting for rain. Literal talaga waiting for rain. Rain is my pangalan ng bunso ko, si Rain Pacey, and he's invited sa birthday party ng classmate niya doon sa loob ng X-Play. So we're just I'm just waiting for him kasi mamaya pa siguro mga an hour more. And in the meantime, let's go walk around here in plaza dito sa may pangalan ba dito? Lago nakakalimutan ang pangalan ng place natin. Anyways, it's like heartland of Mississauga, but it's in Barrie. So let's go walk and tingnan natin. So kumpleto dito, no? Toys R Us, Winners. You get Cabela's, Marshall, Marks. Let's get something to munch on habang naghihintay tayo. Literal na naghihintay kay Rain. Yan. Let's wait for rain kahit magandang weather. Yun. Yeah, so Park Place, that's the name of the plaza. As you can see, kompleto dito. Namin pwedeng shops, food. And let's go check out some places. Ooh, noodle box. This is new. Noodle box. Okay. Sweet oven.
The sweet wiener.
We got Mr. Greek. Mr. Greek here. Shawarma Royal. Ano itong cookies and cupcake? Cookies and cupcake. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. I think they're close. Check it out. Look at all those cupcakes. Okay. cupcakes here. Just cupcakes. Oh, and there's home sense. Yeah, guys, so I decided to maybe go for lunch and try this noodle box. And let's go inside and check it out. Never been here. So let's go. So I'll be sitting here. Got my order already. And we got the shoyu ramen. Whether that's the kitchen. And we'll see kung ano magiging kinalabasan ng order natin, no? It's a nice quiet place. And like from what I know, bago to. That's the kitchen right there. And tingnan natin kung ano yung tsura ng pagkain nila later, no? Alright. Yeah, so we got our food. I got the, like I said, shoyu ramen. And comes in the little thing like this. And let's see and open it. So, ang protein lang nito is just an egg. Oh. See? Looks good. Alright. So, we got our order and gaya natin si Mark Weeds. Shout out to Mark Weeds. I'm a big follower of Mark Weeds. You know? Let's try natin yung broth. Okay. Usually sabihin ni Mark Weeds, wow. Pero hindi naman siya wow. Di ba? Huwag tayo maglalay. Medyo ayos lang, pero I wouldn't say it's the real ramen broth. I go to a couple of ramen places and that's more better compared to this one. Anyways, I don't think na any place in Canada na ramen place na will compare sa Japan, no? I've been to Japan and the ramen there, well obviously, you know, the ramen originated from Japan is can't compare that anywhere in the world. So since I went to Japan and tried their ramen, I never really had tried na similar taste from that ramen place here in Canada na try ko, no? So we'll see how the noodles taste like. Anyways, I guess it's good enough pag gutom ka. So I'll give it about 6.5. Not to like, you know, say anything bad about the place. The place looks nice and service is amazing. It's just that hindi siya similar ng what I've tried before, no? But then again, it's not really an actual ramen place. It's more like different kind of noodles. And nangyari lang na they have ramen on the menu. So lang. I'm just gonna finish this and we'll pick up Rain.
Hi mga ka-daily!
So yun, na-pick up na natin si Rain sa X-Play. Yan. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, may cake ka pa nga sa bibig mo. You want water?
Yes.
Okay, follow me this way.
Hi.
Let's go to Perla. So what did you eat?
I ate pizza and cake.
Wow. Must be a nice party. Right?
I was sweating.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I had to go to the water fountain and then put water on my head.
Why?
Because it actually made me more cold.
Okay, hold on. Let me open the car. Okay, go ahead. Okay, buckle up. Then I'll give you water, okay?
Okay.
Okay, say bye to mga kadili.
Bye, mga kadili.
Alright, bye guys.
I swear I've seen your face somewhere, sometime, someplace.